Have you heard of Rocksbox? I tried it for the first time and I'm going to explain how this monthly jewelry subscription box works, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you. Stay tuned for my honest review to see if this is something you might want to try out. Hi, I'm Maria. I bring you positivity and inspiration in the most creative way that I can. I do fashion, recipe, and home decor videos, so make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and leave a comment so we can get to know each other. I saw an ad for Rocksbox on Facebook, and since I really love trying out subscription boxes, I decided to give this one a try. I had never tried a jewelry-based subscription box before. Rocksbox is a monthly service that will send you 3 jewelry items each month. The styling fee is $21, which is about average for these types of style boxes. And you can use that $21 towards any of the pieces of jewelry that you end up keeping. There is free shipping both ways, and you do get discounted member prices on the jewelry by ordering through Rocksbox. The first thing you will do is fill out your style profile. It is pretty basic since we are just talking about jewelry here. You pick the metal that you prefer and the different styles of jewelry that you like and don't like. And then you need to think about what finger you might want to wear your accent rings on. And then you enter the size there too. They have a lot of really nice jewelry designers such as Alex and Annie, Ava Rose, Kendra Scott, and Kate Spade. You can sort their collection by designer and price range, color and metal, and they really have a nice selection and variety to suit a lot of different jewelry styles. You will want to add items to your wish list so that the stylists have a sense of what you like. Once you have items on your wish list, you can filter your favorites down even further by adding to the top where you have your top 10 favorites. Once the stylist picks out your items, you will get an email notifying you, and then you have the option to preview your box or keep it as a surprise. I couldn't wait, and I wanted to just check everything out and see if I could change things around, so I did go ahead and take a peek. Not everything was from my top 10 list. I think that they tried to create a set that would go well together. So they picked out an item themselves, those rose gold earrings, and those go with the other 2 items from my wish list. I ended up shopping around and I actually swapped all 3. Doing this swap and basically changing my whole order took away the element of surprise, but at least I got what I really wanted. I think if they had one of the items that was hidden until you received your order, that might up the fun factor just a little bit. Next, I will show you what I got, and then I will quickly explain the checkout process. And then you will know everything that you need to know about Rocksbox. Everything arrived really quickly in this super cute gray and pink packaging. There was a brochure about how Rocksbox works and info about how to care for the jewelry. There was a note from the stylist and the receipt showing the member prices of all the items and what your discounts would be if you bought everything. The jewelry is individually wrapped in soft gray bags. This would make a really nice gift for someone because the packaging is just so pretty. The first item is the Aster Vale layered necklace. It is regularly $65, but the Rocksbox member price is $55. The quality feels really nice on this one. Really sturdy feel to it, and the weight is really nice and heavy. I liked the 3 layers of necklaces all built into one piece. The second item is the Sophie Harper mini open circle rainbow studs. They are regularly $45, but member price is $38. I will admit I was a little disappointed in this one because they didn't have a photo on the model, so I imagined these as being much larger. The rainbow stones don't show up very well because they are so small. I don't know why they sent them displayed on what looks like it should be a set of 3. It made me wish I had 2 other pairs of earrings to try on. The final piece of jewelry is the Wilde Seville bracelets. This is regularly $55, but the Rocksbox member price is $46. They have shades of blush and gold and are a really nice neutral set of bracelets to have because they can be layered with any type of other bracelets or your Apple Watch, and those little gold discs are super cute. I ended up keeping these bracelets because I have a similar set that I've loved for years, but the elastic is starting to loosen up like they always do in those elastic bracelets. So these are a great set to replace them with. I also liked that necklace, but it would have been close to $100 if I have kept both items, and I didn't really want to spend that much on jewelry this month. The checkout process was really easy. You have the option to rate each item that you received, and then the stylist has an idea of what you like and what you don't like for your next order. I shipped the items that I didn't want back for free, and then I was done. Now, after you've tried something on and sent it back, I didn't see an option to add it back to your favorites list. So if you change your mind, I guess that they just figure that you didn't like it enough to keep it, so they just remove it from your site forever. Now, I'm sure you could reach out to your stylist if you really wanted to change your mind and have it back on your favorites list. I do have a coupon code for getting your first month styling fee free, so I will link that in the description box below. And while you're down there, I would love to hear what you thought of this jewelry subscription box in the comment section. Overall, I really liked Rocksbox, and I will be trying another month or 2 or 3 with them. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really happy day.